In this small video, I will explain you what is DALL-E Image API. So this API is very smart actually. If you see my screen, like these images are created by the DALL API. So here, if you send a prompt, like the prompt which is shown, an oil painting by Matisse of a humanoid robot playing chess, and it will look like this, you see. So so like this is not a painting which was already stored or saved in the ChatGPT's knowledge base. It has created this image by using his knowledge base like robot and then chess game and etc. So it's very smart actually. If you see whatever you see here, a 3D render of an astronaut walking in a green desert. So again, it has created the image. This is a green desert, it's a robot, it's a, sorry, astronaut, and it has created the 3D kind of image for that. So DALL API is very smart, very intelligent. You can ask anything, like, you know, there are different possibilities. One of the possibilities I can tell you is to send the prompt along with the image, and it will replace that image, edit that image and give it back to you.